Hey, what's up everybody? This is your favorite homeboy, and today we are coming at you from my mobile studio, my studio on wheels here, because I'm on my way to Woodbridge, Virginia to check out a townhome that we might purchase to either buy and hold or to flip. So if you've ever been interested in investment opportunity and didn't know where to start, I'm going to take you on my journey, and this is the first step, checking out the townhome to see if it's going to be worth buying as is and seeing if the numbers work so that we can invest money into fixing it up and then renting it out. So stay tuned for this video and watch to the end and join my journey. Okay, we're at the house. It's a cute little 3-level townhome. It is a corner unit, which I do like. And we manage a home right around the corner from here. This is the street view. And I like it's kind of like a quiet street. A lot of cars on the side. But it does come with 2 parking spaces, I believe. Nice tree here in the front. So let's go in and check it out. Okay, so we are in the hallway and stairs going up. Here is a closet. This is a half bath. Yep, now I see it. Okay. Yeah, so all that would probably be replaced. And you mentioned, you know, the plumbing and the water and all that stuff.
We're doing all the repipe of the pipes. And the drywall would be patched and paint ready.
Okay, that'd be really helpful. And paint ready is fine because the whole place has to be painted anyways.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's a good sized living room.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, and it's a good like style of living.
Yeah, I like the layout. We have this kitchen here. So this is the kitchen, and you know, obviously we'd probably take out the cabinetry and appliances. And the flooring. I guess there'll be a lot of patches in the ceiling for the plumbing.
Well, all of the holes that are here now will be repaired with the repipe because I've just left them alone since I know they're coming in and doing it from all
that
over
makes
the
sense.
leaks, you know?
Yeah.
Just letting them do it all at one time.
And I like the little eat-in dining area here. Okay. I mean, I like the first level. It's cute. It's got a little bar here. I think I manage a home in Centerville that's kind of the same format. Oh, I might as well, yeah, I'll go downstairs first. There's a backyard, right?
Yes.
Okay. I found it. So there's the stairs.
That door is a half bath.
Oh, okay. There's a half bath. Oh, okay. There is laundry here. That's a good size of storage.
It is, yeah.
I like it.
It definitely is. And I talked to Brenda yesterday. HVAC was replaced 8 years ago.
Oh, okay.
Hot water heater. I don't know when hot water was done.
Let's see if I get some information.
And then the main water line from the street was replaced with all copper 7.5 years ago.
Okay. And here's the HVAC. 8 years is not too bad. We can keep it. Still works. It'd be nice if there's a full bath down here.
Yeah, definitely. And some of the townhomes in this neighborhood have that.
This is kind of like a home office setup.
Kind of, yeah. And
Hobby room.
Fireplace.
Oh yeah, I didn't even see it. Fireplace.
And then there's a cupboard underneath the stairs.
Okay, a little storage. We got a good size of space here that even if you wanted to add a full bath downstairs, that could be done.
Yep, definitely.
Okay.
And then fenced in backyard.
So this is a backyard, which is fenced in. And is there 2 parking spaces in the back?
Yes.
Okay, that's cool. So you can just come in through here?
They're all free if you wanted to come in the back. And then this parking up here, there's one assigned spot right on the end.
Oh, okay. So one assigned spot. I thought there's 2.
No, just one.
Just one, okay.
But you get 2 passes. So you have to have a pass to park in the free spots.
Okay.
And then, yeah.
So like 2 visitor passes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, 2 visitor passes. And then if you are parked in your assigned spot, you don't need the visitor pass.
Okay.
So if you have 3 cars, you could have your assigned spot with no
First
pass.
come, first serve.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, this could probably be just cleaned up a little bit or something.
Definitely.
I like this huge tree.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's beautiful.
Probably needs to be trimmed back a bit.
Yeah, and then the tree in front, not too big.
Okay.
My sister-in-law and I trimmed it this summer. If we can manage it.
All right. Yeah, let me look at this bathroom again, because putting a shower here would make sense if you could. I don't think it fit here, but maybe in the
in the storage unit. So if you want to come,
yeah, another storage room.
It actually is open all the way back behind the bathroom.
Yeah, so this
So you
would
could
be
just knock out that back wall and
something to add here.
possibly add a shower in.
Yeah, squeeze either a bedroom in that room, maybe, in the living area.
Yeah, that's there's another townhouse in this neighborhood that's
Oh, they
how
did
it's
it?
set up. Like
Yeah.
they've rented out the bottom as
As a
this is
bedroom.
the bedroom / like a studio area.
Yeah.
And then they have the bathroom.
Cool. All right. Now we're gonna go upstairs.
So at the top of the stairs and then one in the master bedroom.
So 2 bedrooms or 3?
3.
3. Okay. Hi, doggy. Sorry we've been keeping you in here. Hey, you're the star of the show. Well, there's 2 of you.
Well, Rex would love to be the star. He's the only one.
Where's the cat?
Cat will hide.
Oh, the cat's hiding. That's like my cat.
Yeah, she doesn't come out.
And this is the 2nd bedroom. I have 3 cats.
Okay, well, this is my daughter's bathroom. So
Okay.
if you see girly stuff, I apologize
Ah.
for the time.
Don't worry, I got 3 ladies in my house. And then this is a linen closet.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a closet. I don't need to see it.
It's kind of off the hinge right now. 'cause-
Oh, it's a good size.
yeah.
Let me get a better angle. So this is the master. You can tell it's a pretty decent size. There's a closet. I mean, it's what you would expect.
Yeah, just
House.
a little walk-in closet.
Yeah. This is all carpet. Probably wouldn't place that. And this is the bathroom with the vanity separate. Okay, and then the shower bath right here. The bathtub's over here. Probably would have to retowel that, so. Okay, thank you. I think this is a really good floor plan. It's got some potential. And that's it. Go back downstairs. Okay, hey, I hope you liked that house tour. If you did, give me a thumbs up if you'd like to see more of that. We just left the house and talked to the owner about what some of the next steps were. And I think this is going to be a win-win for the both of us, which is, you know, the foundation of good deals, where the seller is happy getting their goals met, the investor is able to meet their goals as well. And, you know, I really think that it could work out. The only thing I'm concerned with is that I might have to add a general contractor to the project, someone to help me manage it, just because, you know, we're going to be traveling and I don't want to waste time just letting the house sit there. So I may have to hire someone that might cut into the profits, creates a little bit more risk in the deal. But other than that, it's a lot of cosmetic stuff. The only thing that might need permit would be some plumbing work that we're going to be doing and maybe adding a full bath, turning a half bath into a full bath downstairs. So other than that, I gotta talk to household 6, my wife, and make sure that she's okay with it and signs off on it. And then we'll go over paperwork and that'll be the next step. Hey, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment below if you're involved in a flip now, if you're looking for one, or if you have any questions, and follow along on the journey. This is your favorite homeboy. I'll see you in the next video. Signing out.